Hi everyone, my, myself Charan Teja, Assistant Professor, SV College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today's topic is production planning and control, organized by Prerana Helping Society, Tirupati. First of all, today's topic is production planning and control. Then what is mean by production planning and what is mean by production control discuss after going to the main topic. Okay. Production planning is a forecasting. Forecasting means a future-based production. That is called a forecasting. Like every step along the process, like right time to right degree, right place to complete the operation is called a production planning. With good quantity and good quality is called a production planning. Next one is production control. Production control means the flow of the size of the resource along with any deviations, along with any no errors, like planning action. Every product has a without errors and without deviations, including arrangements is called a production control. Main production planning control history started at 19th century. Uh, 19th century, like small scale industries to mainly related to small scale industries. Small scale industries means every part such a small size of pots will be started. Small 1 lakh before 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs income coming. Sorry. And also each man and each machines used to chalk out. And factories just bigger, not more complex. Main industries such as textile and railways are mainly used production planning and control. Next one is main characteristics of production planning control, like materials, machines, and also labor is efficiently used will get the good product and good quantity. That is the main characteristic. First one. Next one is production integrated used to economically. Economically means income or any financial matters, and it is integrated with outside of the factory, inside of the factory, like that. Next, undertaken of carefully available elements are the proper utilized. Everything, every machinery has a utilized properly will get a good product. Next one is first stage of the raw material will be staged as the final goods. First stage, every product has a first stage of the product. Final goods will give the product. Main objectives of the production planning and control. Mainly, industries are used. Main small scale industry or heavy industries also use this one. First one is reduce the production cost and effective utilization of the resources, steady flow of the production, estimate the resources, ensure optimum inventory, coordinates activities of department, minimize the wastage of raw materials, improves the labor productivity, helps to capture the market, provide the better work environment, facilitates quantity improvement, results in the consumer satisfaction. That is the main objectives of production planning and control. First one is production planning involves main topics are covered in this the production planning. It is the main topic in GET. What is the product preparation of the production budget? Everything is a production budget. Purchasing and raw materials and purchasing. Every product has a preparation of the budget, like 1 year academic year, 1 year like 6 months to 1 year. Next one, sequence of the operation. Every product has a correct or not working as a operations, like next one is type of machines and equipment. Every machinery has equipment and size and motion and speed, feed and rate. Everything is there. Everything is there in chart. Next, preparation of the operation sheet and instruction cards like that. Above missions and equipments is same procedure. Next one is estimated men, mission and material requirement. Some shops are there, assembly shop is there, and also production shop is there. Like everything is the dispatching section is there. Every estimated man, which man, and missions and materials, and also requirements. Next, undertaking time. Next one is preparing master schedules. Next, mainly process in the production planning and control has a two types is there: production planning and production control. In production planning has a four subdivisions are there. What and the first one is a planning, routing, scheduling, loading. And also control has a four types is there subdivisions: dispatching, follow up, inspection, and corrective. What is the process? In production planning process, what is the process? Process has a four types: planning and routing, scheduling, loading. What is mean by plan? What is planning? Planning is a task. Routing means need to carry it out, where it need to carry it out, and scheduling when it needs to carry it out. Loading who will perform the task. That is the process of the production planning. In planning, what is first one is a planning. Planning means every product has organized setup, creation, starting to ending. Everything is a planning. Like raw material and also financial and also preparing policies and also labor instructions, all labor benefits, etc. is there. Everything is a planning and under the separate department. Next one is routing. Routing is a determine the exact path, like one way, like one way path before reaching the final stage. That is called a routing. In routing has so many procedures is there. Deciding what part to made or purchased. Next one is determining the materials required. Determining manufacturing operations and sequences, and lot of sizes, scrap factors, cost of the products, and also control forms. That is the procedure. Next one is scheduling. Scheduling is very important. Scheduling means at which time to I mean starting time to ending time. Every product has a every product has a manufacturing fixed time. In between time will give the final product without delaying time. That is called a scheduling. Types of scheduling. So many, there are three types of scheduling is the master scheduling, manufacturing scheduling, detail operation scheduling. In manufacturing, master scheduling has a some breaks is there and a single duties is 8 hours duty like some small scale industries like for future based products is called master scheduling companies. And also manufacturing scheduling. Manufacturing schedule is a by a continuous process like manufacturing some companies is there, small large scale industries and steel companies is there, some Vizag steel at continuous processes. Next is detailed operation schedules. It indicates performs each and every detailed operation given the process is called a detailed operation schedule. Every product has a detailed like some automobile sectors. Loading. Next topic is loading. Loading is the execution of the scheduling plan in between the product in between the product after completion of the production. After completion of the operators will go to workplace or missions like that. Dispatching. Dispatching means very important this topic. Dispatching is a releasing of the guide manufacturing in particular route. Some product packing, another uh, packing, and also sticking stickers like barcodes, generator, like the dispatches. Everything will be guided. The manufacturing orders as the sequence as the previous determined by the route sheets and schedules. That is called dispatching. Dispatching procedures has a two types: is there centralized dispatching, decentralized dispatching. In centralized dispatching, orders are directly issued workmen and missions. Decentralized has a everything is a foreman means a supervisor, and dispatch clerk uh, will give the everything is give the uh, particular product. Next, to follow up and expediting. Expediting means follow up means after completion of the product, after completion of the dispatching, will give to follow up. What is the operators will be department use the checking the progress will give the in between time is called a follow. Next one is inspection. Inspection is a quality is good or bad. I mean good or not in particular products. That is the quality. Quality is so much of important topic is there. One of small scale industries to high scale industries has a ISO standards were maintained every product and food items and non-food items and automobile items and everything has a ISO standards maintenance by quality of the products. That is called inspection. Corrective measurements is there not will be sure some action will be take the action. Adjusting the routes and rescheduling of the works, changing the workload, repair the maintenance of machinery or requirements, equipment, over inventories, and personal decisions like training, transfers, demotions, etc. Alternate methods adjusted to handle peak loads. Next one is limitations in the production planning and control. First one is assumption based. Next one is rigidity, difficulties for small frames, costly, dependence on external factors, teamwork is a must, demand high level of coordination and efficiency. That is the limitations. Next one is significance. Significance, the main topics is the quality, speed, efficiency, cost. This is the main topic in their production planning control. Production planning control has a first introduced Toyota company has introduced seven principles is there. Reduced setup time, small lot production, employee involvement and empowerment, quality or source, equipment maintenance, full production, supplier involvement. That is the seven topics. Main topics are in this Toyota. Toyota way has a, some production system. Is there some total production management, the operation stability, how to manage this person. High quality, low cost, short lead time by eliminating waste time and activities. The three steps is there: just in time, and also continuous improvement, and also JITCO. And just in time has a takes time, take time, and one place for full system. And JITCO has a manual or automatic line stop, and also separate operators and mission activities. That is the main topics in the production planning control Toyota way. What is mean by JIT? JIT means just in time. Just in time. Just in time means is a minimize cost of the product process optimization without wastage reduction, without wastage of the product. That is called just in time. Next one is main concepts of the Toyota. Main concepts of the Toyota concepts. Elimination of the seven modas means wastefulness. Which the main important topic is there. Seven modas in their Toyota concept. First one is transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overpricing, overproduction, defects. That is the main topics. Next one is Poka Yoke, mistake proofing, Judoka, automation, human touch, Kanban, inventory control, Kaizen, change for better. Next one is respect for empowerment to employees. That is the main concepts of the Toyota way. Next is the forecasting. Forecasting means a future based Future based on present sales is called a forecasting. This is the layout of the forecasting. First one is the customer, sorry, planning. What is the planning? And goes to input products, input materials like that. Next one is production process. We'll go to the finished goods and checking the quality like that. In and distributors to customer to forecast will be good next step, and go to planning. This is the cyclic process of the layout of forecasting process. Forecasting has a two types is there: marketing, production. In forecasting, sales for a new and existing products. In the production has a use sales products to production and operation management. These are two types. Main characteristics of forecast: they are usually wrong, and also forecast usually more than a single number. Next one is aggregate forecast are more accurate. There is a longer forecast horizon. Next one is execution for information. Main forecast characteristics. Main forecasting horizons are the three types is there. Three terms is there: short term, intermediate, or medium. Next one is long term. In short term has a inventory management and production plannings. Intermediate term has means the main topics for get purpose. Short term. What is the short term means under inventory management and production planning, or etc. Intermediate term has a sales pattern for product families. Next one is long term has a long term planning of the capacity need. Next one is techniques of the forecasting. Main techniques, they are the subdivisions is there: judgmental models and time series method and casual method. In judgmental model has a Delphi method is there. Time series has a moving average method, exponential smoothing method, and seasonable models. This is gives one topic for the one models problems also will give gate exams. Casual method, regression analysis and linear regression, and also multilinear regressions are in this game. Next, types of forecasting methods: subjective method and objective method. In subjective method has a sales force composites, customer survey, jury of execution opinion, and Delphi method. Objective method has a casual method and time series method. These the main topics are main types of the forecasting. Okay, thank you to all.